Yes. I'll send it to social media. And Jima will vlog this one. Bravo, senor.
Sí, señor.
And
then,
I'm good.
this one.
And that one?
Yeah, like this. Step 2. This is step 1.
Step one,
And
step two.
yes. And then I will bring you
sack.
up and then there. Okay.
Oh my God, you will stay until tomorrow. Sige.
Slow.
That will be tomorrow. It will be the eternity. Wow. Very clean.
Ito high blood din.
Tuko.
Hagad dyan rin coke.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
I need a bigger hat.
Nito or
That's for three. That's for Sophia. Or what? Isa. Don't make a joke. Bibi. May batid pagsigid.
Oh, yun na ho. Pasak ito.
Ha?
And then,
It's all over here.
Yeah, another.
Then you could go sweep. It will be there. There's no. You go to the plant. There's plenty. Don't bring the soil.
step 2, step 3, 4, and 5.
And then you.
Stepping. I'm stepping.
Just a plain food there.
So not the Gemma.
There.
Huh?
See? That rice there.
Also.
You can do that too.
Come
Next year.
It's all over here.
I need to buy him a broom. A broom.
Yes, that's not like that. A broom is not.
Next time I come here, I'm going to buy you a broom.
You throw me?
The broom this wide, and you sweep, and it's very fine bristles, and it sweeps that real easy. Or get him a vacuum, a dry vac.
That is the lazy.
Getting you pretty guys.
You don't have clothes to change.
What?
You're sweating.
Close.
You're sweating. Look. I'll send it to. It's over here. You will start. Then you sweep again there. Okay. Ay, wait. It's okay. It's... This.
That's why you don't hire cheap labor.
Huh?
That's why you don't hire cheap labor.
Kailan ko itong bagong panaw? Kailan itong bagong punto ng binurat? Subutan sa kwan? Sa ano yan? Yung sarin?
Jima's recording you. An Americano is sweeping rice.
Grabe lang yung moto. Yung wallet you paid.
It's okay. It's
I did half of it.
yeah.
Done?
Done.